quite a number of mathematics students don't know the difference between d over dx and dy over dx. And most of them don't even know how to use each appropriately. So in this tutorial, we're going to be showing you the difference between d over dx and dy dx and how you can use them appropriately. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so before we move on, thank you very much for your support. That click is very much appreciated. And let's move on. Okay, so d over dx stands for the derivative of x, right? If it's x like this, therefore d over dx stands for the derivative of x, and the derivative of x in this case is equal to 1. So that's when we use dy over dx, right? However, when it's an equation now, let's say we have y is equal to x plus 1, right? So in this case, we introduce dy over dx. Why? Because we are differentiating y with respect to x, because this is an equation, right? So dy over dx means that the derivative of y with respect to x. Therefore, the derivative of y with respect to x in this case will be equal to 1. And I hope that was clear. Okay, so in the first example, d over dx stands for the derivative of x, right? So in this case, the derivative of x is equal to 1, right? Clear, right? However, when we now have an equation, right? For instance, y is equal to x plus 1, right? Therefore, we are now differentiating y with respect to x, right? Because somehow y is related to x, right? How is y related to x? Y is related to x by the equation y is equal to x plus 1. Therefore, when we want to differentiate y, we're now differentiating y with respect to x. Therefore, the derivative of this equation is equal to 1. Then you're done. So therefore, let's do the YouTube tradition.